Welcome to Capgemini interview question. Capgemini is one of the fantastic company, and usually they are focusing more on Java. So here is the top 25 Capgemini interview questions. Let's start it. Let me introduce myself. My name is Venkat. I'm a job consultant and a typical technological professional and a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award winner. So let's talk about the Capgemini interview question. This is the question number 1. A car travels at a speed of 60 km per hour and returns with a speed of 40 km per hour. Calculate the average speed for the whole journey. That's the question. Over here, the average speed can be calculated with the formula 2 into x into y divided by x plus y. So the upstream, they're like towards and return back. So putting this one, you got the answer as 48 km per hour. A person gains 10% while buying. So he got 110 rupees. Considering 100 rupees is there, so he got 110 because 10% gain while buying and 10% while selling by using false wage offs. So he have done like a 10% while selling by using false wage. He got once again 10%. Already he got 10% gain. So 110 is a rupees. Among that I got 10% more. Okay, so what could be the total profit percentage? That's the question. So let's see what could be the answer. Here I got 10% gain, right? So 10% gain, so I got 110 rupees. For 100 rupees I got 110. 110 of 10% once again, it can't be 15%. It should be more than 20%, I guess. So this is discarded. So option A cannot be the answer. So here is the option. So the formula for this one is like a plus b plus a into b divided by 100 to get the overall percentage gain. If there is a consecutive or successful gain, this is a formula. So a plus b plus ab divided by 100. Solving it, you got 21. You may ask me, sir, do we have any logical answer for this one? Yes, we can have with the logical answer. Here is the answer. The 10% is successfully increased. So 10% he got. So once if you by cheating or gaining 10%, you got 110. 10% of 110 is 121. So if it is the cost is 100, obviously the increase is 21%. The answer is 21. So this is a logical answer or like a kind of a second answer for this particular question. So here is the question, like a Seema is 5 years older than her brother. Okay, so older than her brother Mac. The product of their age is 204. So Seema is elder. She's elder sister. She got age of 5 years elder than this guy. Okay, x plus 5 into x is equal to 204. The product of the age is 204. What is the age of Mac? M-A-C Mac. That's the answer. That's the question. So the simple logical answer is like, so x age is 12. So Seema's age is like 17. 12 into 17 is 204 or not. 8 plus 13 is 204 or not. 6 plus 11 204 or not. 10 plus 15. So 10 plus 15 can't be. So 10 years is discarded. 6 into like the other is 11. 6 into 11. 11 6 are 66. No. Okay, something like that we should find like this. Let's see the answer. It could be like a 12, I guess, maybe. So 8 into 13. No. It's 12. The age is 12. On seeing the question itself, we are able to answer it. It's 12. So age, if the age of the Mac is age, automatically like his sister will be having 13. 13 into 8 is not 204. 12 into 17 is 204. Okay, that's a logical answer. Over here, Mac will x years, x plus 6, x. So solving this one, you got the equation. This one, solving this equation, you got x is equal to 12 and minus 17. So it can't be negative. So x is equal to 12. The age is 12 for this guy and 17 is for the other girl. In a bag, there are certain number of toy blocks with alphabets A, B, C and D is there. The ratio is 4:7:3:1. The number of A blocks is 50, more than C blocks. Oops. So this guy got 4 ratio and this guy got C ratio. Okay, so the difference is 50. So 4 minus 3. So 1 ratio is 50. So 7 into 50 is maybe 350. What is the number of B blocks? It should be 350, I guess. I'm not sure. Let's see the answer. So the answer is, so I'm trying to take A. This guy got 4 and B, this guy got 7 and you got C, you got 3 and D got 1. This is the ratio, and I'm trying to like check it out. The difference is 50, and what could be the ratio? It's 350. It's very simple. You are able to do it. So 4x is equal to 3x plus 50. So x is equal to 50. So it's 7 into 50. So 7 into 50 is 350. So it's a very simple, straightforward answer. A is to B is 7 is to 5. C is to D says 2A is to 3B. So 2 into 7. What is AC is to BD? So that's going to be real different. Okay, so I'm trying to do like a manipulation. So we have to do some logics here. So let's see the logic. So A is to B is 7 is to 5. So A is equal to 7x and B is equal to 5x. That's the ratio. So putting this one in x, you got like a C is equal to 14x and D is equal to 15x. So 14 and 15. So AC. So here 7 into 14 is to 5 into 15 into 5. So you got the answer as 98 is to 75. We don't have any logics. We have to put the formulation for this one. It's a kind of a simplification technique. So a grocer has a sale of rupees 6435 6927 6877 55 7230 and 65 for 5 consecutive months. Good. How much is the sale for the 6 months so that he gets an average of 6500? So he got 64, 69, 68, 72, 65 and 6th month putting an average you got 6500. So it can't be 6500 more. So it can't be like 6400. It can't be. It's very near. Okay. So you have to like because all the cost is higher. All the cost is higher. This the 6th month you should have a very less cost. Very less cost to tally this one. So obviously my guess is like between these two guys. Okay. This can't be an answer. This can't be an answer for sure. And it can't be an answer I guess. And this could be the answer. These two. Based on this one, let's do it. So average. So the average is like the sum of the observation divided by the number of observation. So 6500 is the average is equal to adding this one plus the required sale divided by 6. You got 4991. My guess is correct. Let's move on to the next question. What is the average amount of interest per year which the company had to pay during this period? What is the average? So add this one divided by the number total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number added divided by 5. You got the answer. You got the answer now. The answer is 36.66. So the answer is 36.66. That's the answer. How many numbers between 11 and 19 divisible 7? So you may ask me a question like, sir, we can have 14, 21 divisible is 7, right? 14, 21, 28, 35. You can have like, you can do it manually also. But this is kind of an arithmetic progression because if you have the consecutive and the difference is same, you will be having an arithmetic progression formulation. The formulation is, this is the formulation. Kind of A is equal to n minus 1 into D or something like that. You got the formulation here. So these are the numbers available. Okay, this is the formulation. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to the actual number. Okay, the final number 84. Okay, so let the number of terms be n, then Tn is equal to 84. Okay, A is equal to 14 to 84. Okay, because 90 less than 90, what is the number we should find it? Okay, A, the initial number is 14. The difference is 7, okay, and the final number is 84. So A plus n minus 1 into D, putting this one, you got the answer as n is equal to 11. That's the answer. You may ask me a question like what company we are running it. So our company, Cashew Infotech, we are conducting in-plant training and internship for the students. So this is my this is my profile, and apart from the we are conducting this training for the degree studying people, completed people, freshers and experienced people. If you are looking for any job or career guidance, you can contact me at any time. And here is our course details, and we are ready to help you through online courses and offline courses, and here is the number. We are giving cheapest cost courses with a high-end quality, and I am the trainer. Okay, here is a question. The price of 2 sarees and 4 shirts is rupees 1600. With the same money one can buy 1 saree and 6 shirts. If one want to buy 12 shirts, what is the how much you have to pay? That's the question. So 2 sarees and 4 shirts, 2x plus 4y is equal to 1600. 1 saree and 6 shirt, x plus 6y is equal to 1600. So equating this one, so 2x plus xy, so 4y. So I am trying to equate it. So x plus so this one divided by 2, you got this equation. X plus 6y is equal to 1600, this one. So minusing this one, you got so I'm trying to minus it. I got 4y is equal to 800, y is equal to 200, x is equal to 400. So I want to buy like a 12 shirts. So x is equal to the saree is x 400 and y is 200. So 12 into 200 is 2400. The answer is 2400. The sum of third and ninth term of an arithmetic progression AP, A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to the actual answer. So the sum of third and ninth term of an arithmetic progression is 8. Find the sum of the first 11 terms of the progression. That's the question. So sum of third and ninth term of an AP is 8. T3, the third term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the ninth term is equal to a plus ninth term n 9 minus 1 is 8 into d. So T3 plus T9 is equal to, like you got the sum of is 8. So adding this one you got 8. I want to find the sum of the 11 terms of an arithmetic progression. So S11 is equal to, like I got 11 a plus n minus 1 to d. Somehow I missed it. A plus 5 into d. Sum of first 11 terms. I don't want the 11th term. Sum of the first 11 terms is like the number of term you have to give divided by 2 into this one. Solving this equation, you will be getting the answers 44. The answer is 44. A motorboat can travel at 5 km per hour. It's traveled 5 km per hour in still water. It traveled 90 km downstream. Okay, so I think the picture is wrong. So 90 km downstream in a river and then turn taking to altogether 100 hours. Find the rate of flow of the river. That's the question. So still water is 5 km per hour. It's in the still water. It's 5 km per hour. Okay. So the speed in the boat in the still water is x is equal to 5 km per hour. The rate of flow of water is y. The speed is equal to 5 minus in the upstream is like a 5 minus y. Okay, 5 minus y, and the downstream is 5 plus y, because the speed of the boat you are able to calculate is speed of the boat minus the speed of the water. That's upstream. Downstream is like you have to add it. Okay, over here I am able to get it like that the total hours is 100 hours. Okay, distance divided by the speed, you got the time. Okay, so distance is 90 km. It traveled 90 km downstream in a river and then return back. So 90 km divided by the speed plus 90 km divided by the speed. So the speed of the upstream plus speed of the time taken for the upstream and downstream is equal to 100. So solving this equation, you will be getting the answer as y is equal to 4. So the rate of flow of the river is 4 km per hour is the answer. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 61. So if it is Ax, considering 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, the difference is 2. Okay, so it's even numbers, but it's an odd number. Okay, consecutive odd numbers is 61. What is the difference between the highest and lowest number? The difference is it's simple, it's 8. So I given in the picture itself, it's 8. The difference is 8. Okay, I've added it divided by 5 is equal to 61. Okay, so this is the formulation, but the logic is simple. The average score of a cricketer for 10 matches is 38.9 runs. If the average for the first 6 matches is 42, average score of this cricketer for 10 matches is 38.9. The average for the first 6 matches is 42. Find the average for the last 4 matches. That's the question. First 6 matches, average score of the cricketer for 10 matches, the remaining 4 you want to find. So 10 into 38.9 minus 6 into 42, that's the answer. And divided by 4. So 137 divided by 4, you got the average of the 4 matches are 34.25. So that's the answer. So 10 into 38.1 minus 6 into 42. That's the answer. If 60 ml of water contains 12% of chlorine, how much water must be added in order to create a 8% chlorine solution? 60 ml water, I got 12% chlorine. Okay. So we have to put an equation like x amount of x ml of chlorine is placed in 60 ml of x ml of chlorine is in 60 ml, that's 12 divided by 100, something like that we should put it. Let's see the formulation here. Yes, so x ml of chlorine be present in water, so x divided by 60, so x ml in 60 ml, 12 divided by 12 percentage in 100 percentage. Solving it, you got x is equal to 7.2 ml. Over here I got 8 percentage, right? So 8 by 100 of y is equal to 7.2, y is equal to 90 ml. Okay, so y is equal to 90 ml. Okay, 7.2 ml, so 7.2 ml is present in 60 ml, so we add 90 ml, right? 90 minus 60 is got 30 ml of water over here. So over here 7.2 ml is in 60 ml, 7.2 ml to constitute 8 percentage is 30 ml. So that's the answer. The answer is 30 ml. Over here, like this is the question, 469 plus 174. So this equation, so it's like a square, a plus b square, a whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by a into b or something like that. So here is the formulation. Solving this one, you got 2ab. So 2ab divided by 4ab divided by, so the answer is 4. The answer is very simple, 4. Whatever number you got, the answer is 4. No need to put these numbers. A is equal to 469, b is equal to 171. Don't put it. It's a very simple answer. Solve this equation, you got 4. So whatever value you give, the answer is 4. The answer is 4. You may ask me a question like, sir, do we have any other like a website to learn the Capgemini entry question? Here is our channel. Okay, here is the website where you are able to see minimum of thousands of Capgemini entry questions. Just watch this URL. And we got thousands of videos in this channel, Wikitiki Code. Just check it out. So I rename this channel. It's Kashu Venkat. Okay. Let's move on here. A person travels for 3 hours at the speed of 40 km per hour and for 4.5 hours at the speed of 60 km per hour. At the end of it, we find that he has covered 3 by 5th of the total distance. At what average speed should he travel to cover the remaining distance in 4 hours? See, actually a person 3 hours at a speed of 40 km per hour he went, and 4.5 hour like at a speed of 60 km he went. He covered total 3 by 5th of the total distance. Not he didn't cover the entire thing. 100 kilometers, 60 kilometers he covered. 3 by 5th of the total distance. At what average should this guy should travel to cover the remaining distance in 4 hours of time? That's the question. Okay, so let's find, we need to find the distance. 3 by 4th is what? And 2 by 5th is what? 2 by 5th time, 2 by 5th in 4 hours, we'll find the speed. Let's see. Okay, distance is equal to time into speed. So distance covered in 3 hours is like a 3 hours 40 kilometers is 120 kilometer, and distance covered 4.5 hours 60 kilometers 270. Add this one, so 3 by 5 into x. So this is 3 by 5, right? This is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 into x is 650. Okay, the remaining distance, so x is equal to so the total distance is 650 kilometer. Okay, so over here 120 minus 270. Okay, you got the remaining distance 260. Within 4 hours I need to reach it. 260 divided by 4 is 65 km per hour this guy should travel. That's the answer. If x is equal to 12, y is equal to 4, find the value of x plus y power x divided by y. So 12 plus y is 16, 12 divided by 4 is 3, so 16 power 3, that's the answer. So x is equal to 12, y is equal to 4, so solving this one you got 16, 12 plus 4 is 16 power 3. 16 power 3, 16 power 3, I made this 16 as 2 power 4, 2 power 12 is 4096, the answer is 4096. What is the radius of this circular plate of thickness 1 centimeter made by melting a sphere of a radius 3, like I got a circular plate like this, I made it as a sphere, okay, the thickness of the plate is 1 centimeter made by melting a sphere of, or I want to like I want to find the radius of the circular, I want to create this one, I got a sphere of radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so like melt it and make it as a circular plate of thickness 1 centimeter. Okay, so pi r square h or something like that, yes, that's the one. So the radius is a 3 centimeter, so the height is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. What is the radius of circular plate of thickness 1 centimeter made by melting a sphere of radius 3 centimeter? So volume of this sphere is equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. So we got pi r cube, solve this one, you got this one, you got some value. Volume of the circular plate is pi r square into h, so pi r square into h, so h is 1, pi into r square. So like this is the one, so this is converted to this one, right? So equating this square, the volume is same, the sphere and the circular plate, the volume is same. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square. Okay, so solving this one, so pi cancel everything, so you got the answers. R is equal to 6 centimeter. Difference between the primary key and secondary key. Primary key is nothing but a single key which is used to identify the record in a table. Okay, see 01 is unique, 02 is unique. Over here Deepak and Deepak is there, no, it's not considered as a primary key. The primary key, no duplicates. Secondary key is like the key which is the column which is not primary key, and the rest of the column, some column which is not the primary key, they call it as secondary key. That's the difference. Here is the difference. It's uniquely identified, used for identification of rows, but not uniquely, usually unique. We have only one primary key, we have multiple. So a primary key is one of the candidate key, and here it's not. Okay, this is the difference. What is defect density? How much error is there, how much defects are there, they call it as defect density. Total number of errors divided by the the length of the program or something like that. Okay, so number of defects divided by the size of the project or software is called as defect density. What if a garbage collector, so cleaning the room, so if there is an considering I got an object created, the object is not used, in that case we should remove it, right? This is taken care by a guy called a garbage collector in Java. Okay, so removing unwanted objects or abundant objects from the memory is called garbage collection. So this is the thing. So they got JVM, Java Virtual Machine, creates 3 threads, the main thread to run the program, thread scheduler to process the program faster, and there is a garbage collector thread. So 3 things are there, and here is the details about the threads and everything, just check it out. And garbage collection is called via the method called to finalize. What do you mean encapsulation? So encapsulation is nothing but a class is there, a class will have the methods and variables. Considering a class is there, a class will have methods and variables. These methods and variables, the problem with these things are very simple. Okay, so methods and variables, I want to access those methods and variables is not possible without creating an object. So it's called as encapsulation. So I need to create an object from the class, and this class can access the object methods and variables. They call it as encapsulation. So hiding the internal information and I can't see it, they call it as encapsulation. Okay, so just check the definitions and everything. And our company Kashi Infotech, we are providing INPLANT training internship, you can contact us, and we are conducting courses also, you can contact us anytime via this number. What is cloud computing? So cloud computing is nothing but renting the services, renting the technology. See, I want to buy a server, so I don't want to buy the server, I can rent the servers from somewhere, they call it as infrastructure as a service. I want to rent an operating system, platform as a service. I want to rent a software as a service. So renting a technology and use it and give it back, they called it as cloud computing. That's one of the famous technology. Over here you are able to see the infrastructure as a service, rent the server. Put any OS, put any software, you can use it. So rent the operating system, put any software, you can use it, rent the software. So use the software, rent it, and you can use the software. They call it as 3 major types of cloud computing. And here is a picture like a cloud computing, you are able to rent the things and you are able to access it via internet. And here is the next question, what is the next letter in the series? B, E, H, K, N. The difference is 3, the answer is Q maybe. The answer is Q. The answer is Q. So this is the final question. What do you mean by auto boxing and unboxing? Converting the data type is referred to as boxing, and returning back from that data type they call it as unboxing. Over here I got the variable integer x is equal to 5, integer object is equal to new integer of, I'm creating an object integer, I'm trying to cast it. Okay, so object, put that, or putting a variable into the object, they call it as boxing, and removing the object from, removing the variables from that object, they call it as unboxing. Integer a is equal to new integer of 15, so I is equal to variable object dot int value, I'm converting this object into an integer, store it in an integer, they call it as unboxing. So finally, we are reaching the end of the session. You can contact me at any time for any kind of questions and guidance, and you can post your comments, and if you have any questions, post in your comments. And we are conducting a lot of implanting internship in our company, for this degree studying people, completed people, freshers and experienced people. Apart from that, we conduct lots and lots of courses. You can contact us via this number. And here is our channel. If you love our videos, just subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this. And this is Venkat signing out, and I'm looking for more videos from this channel. Thank you. Okay, I'm ready to give it for you. Thank you.